And the cool thing about this video is it's not actually hard to do at all, and the fact it's super easy to do. You don't need any previous skill. You can do this from anywhere from the world. Literally all you need to have an internet connection, and if you are watching this right now you probably have an internet connection. So if you want to take advantage of one of the absolute best way that I have found recently to make money online from anywhere in the world, then make sure you watch the video all way till the end, because there are a couple of steps you should follow. This absolutely free site here will allow you to earn $16 again and again for an unlimited amount of times, and no matter where you're coming from. But if you want to earn even more money without doing anything, then stick around to the end of this video, because I have a huge bonus to show you now. Just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Hello, and so you don't miss out on any future videos.com, and click on that red subscribe button and notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So this is this site we will be using today in order to get paid. This website is called dailyuploads.net. It's a site I know most of you have never heard about before, so let me explain how it works. Basically it's similar to the likes of Uploadship and others in that it pays you whenever someone downloads a file you have uploaded on here. Whenever someone tries to download one of your files, they will first see a bunch of bans before they can download the files in question, and of course the ad revenue is split between yourself and the website. However, there is one big difference that makes this website stand out from the crowd. This one pays a lot more money per 1,000 downloads than other sites like it do, as I will show you in this video. Furthermore, a great thing about this site is that when you upload those files you don't have to promote them on social media or whatever in order to get paid. This website does it for you. But as I said in the beginning, I have a huge bonus to drastically increase the amount of traffic you will get and earn far more money. Now, how much money you will get paid exactly and all information relating to payment you can check out by clicking on Make Money. Right up here on this page you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a bit of a downside I must say, but it still isn't too much money either. You can also see that they offer various payment options, Skrill, Web Money, and for those of you who prefer cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, so they do have quite a bit of ways to make sure you get paid. Now check this out, you can get paid up to $16 per every 1,000 downloads, and while that might not seem like a lot, it actually is. You can see that by going over some other similar platforms like uploadforever.com here and compare the prices. You can see that this website will pay you at most $7 per 1,000 downloads, so Daily Uploads will earn us more than twice as much money for the same amount of downloads, which is a big difference, and that's one of the main reasons I am showing you this site. Now back on this page you can see that they do have a referral system in place, and this is a great way to make some extra cash using this website. With that said, another big reason why I am showing you this is the amount of traffic it gets, since after all how many people visit the site a month greatly impacts how much you will be getting paid. To see the exact stats you can come over to SimilarWeb.com. This website will give you information like how many people visit a website a month, from which countries do most people visit the said site, and someone. And when I search for Daily Uploads I found that over 1.500000 people come on that platform every single month, which is a very decent amount of people. Actually think about this for a second, 10,000 people downloading a file you've uploaded would earn you up to $160, and that is just 0.6% of the people who visit the site on a monthly basis. So as you can see, you can earn some very nice money easily with this website. Anyways, in order to start making money with Daily Uploads you need to register by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner and then entering your username, email address, your password, and finally payment information. When done, and just click on I'm not a robot and on submit, and you will now want to log into your brand new account. From there, with that done guys, there is one big question left unanswered, which is what files will you be uploading? Well, what you can do is go over to sites like Free PLR Downloads and others and find files like tutorials, ebooks, and someone that contain useful information that will actually benefit the person downloading the file, which in turn will lead to more downloads. However, a way I personally prefer is uploading files from a site called pexels.com. On this platform you can find royalty-free images and videos that you can download and use with no copyright infringement and with no attribution required to anyone, and uploading some photos or videos from here is a very good idea because people will get some value from them. They are royalty-free so they can use them however they want to, and Pexels offers some amazing looking photos and videos, and the thing is that not many people know about Pexels, which is also very important as well. For example, what you can search for is beach videos, since not only do they look awesome but people love them and more of them will want to download them. Now you don't have to search for beach per se, nor do you have to search for videos as well. Searching for a landscape or beautiful landscape is a great idea. And just a side note, if you want to upload photos on Daily Uploads, then make sure you download multiples of them, 45 at least, and Then group them together into a folder and upload that entire folder because daily uploads requires the minimum size of the file to be 1 megabyte anyways. When you find something that you like, all you need to do is open up the video or photo in question, like this video of a beach which just looks stunning, and click on free download in the upper right corner in order to download it to your PC for free. To upload the file, what you need to do on the site is click right here, then find the file on your PC and open it up, then click on Start Upload right here and just wait until it uploads. When it does, you will be presented with the link of that file, as you can see, and as I said it, this website will get you traffic and people will download your file no matter what. But I highly recommend you share this link with other people so you get as many downloads as is possible. Sharing in various Facebook groups, for example, is a good idea. Twitter, Instagram, all social media platforms in general are excellent places to get traffic, but if you want to get traffic without doing anything, then I highly recommend you check out this tool right here, the link of which I left in the description box down below. This tool will get you unlimited traffic in 29 seconds, even if you are a newbie with zero skills and zero experience. As you can see, the great thing about this software is that it will get you traffic to any link out there, so you can use it to promote various products from the likes of OfferFault, GVS, UDidUStore24 and others, which is awesome. Furthermore, if you recall, daily uploads also offers you a referral system, and so what you can do is use this tool to promote your file links but also your referral link, and that will allow you to earn much more money. With that said, though, this is a paid software, but before you click off this video, just check out what it says here: 365-day money back guarantee. Get results or we'll pay you $250. So not only do they offer you a year-long money back guarantee, but they will actually pay you if this doesn't work out for you, so you cannot lose anything if you just give this tool a try. And trust me, once you do, you'll see big results and you won't be needing that money back guarantee at all. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, look on that red subscribe button and turn on the news, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.